powering up and powering down during a pressure switch cycle is a little different. To simulate this, we will go into a pressure switch on time. The controller is looking for a pressure signal, and let's say the piece of equipment is turned off by the operator. The operator returns, powers up the vehicle, thus powering up the controller. The controller will revert back to the beginning of the on time, still looking for one pressure switch signal, which will allow the system to build pressure.
Yep.